everyone, welcome to Mary's Place. Hi everyone, it's Mary here. I got a little bit of a cold going on, so excuse my voice. I'll do my best. We're going to be making a ravioli meatball casserole. So first you're going to put in your meatballs. I use the Arm & Hammer beef meatballs. And then you're going to get your sauce and pour your sauce in. I just used traditional pasta sauce from Hunt's. Grab that lid out of there. Then I'm going to add 2 bags of frozen raviolis. These are the cheese raviolis. This is a very simple dish, guys. See, I'm showing you the armor. And now the cheese raviolis. Mix them in there. I had 2 different sizes. I needed to get freezer space, so I'm getting rid of them. Plus, I'm trying to get the pasta out of the house a little bit because we're getting ready to go on a venture here, dieting a little bit. Then all you're going to do is mix that up, and you're going to cover it up, and you're going to simmer it until it's hot all the way through. Well, not simmer it. You're going to cook it on like a medium low. After they're hot all the way through, you're going to start layering a little bit. Put half of your mixture in and spread them out the best you can. I know it don't seem like enough, but it really is. Time you add the cheese and the vegetable and everything, it's plenty. Add a little bit of Italian seasoning on top of that. And I'm going to add some accent seasoning to wake up the flavors. I'm not using any salt in this recipe. The cheese and the Parmesan has enough salt in it, I feel. The sauce does. Because I am just using canned sauce. I'm making this very easy for you people on the go. Normally in the past I would have made these all homemade, but I don't have time for it anymore at my age, so. And now the mozzarella. By the way, I got most of my stuff at the Dollar Tree. Not my cheese though, I never buy cheese at the Dollar Tree. But it was on sale. And I'm going to add some black pepper. I don't add the red flakes until at the very end, guys. Now I'm adding spinach. And I'm breaking those leaves up. I want them to cook faster, and if they're broken, they will cook and lay down better. These are baby spinach leaves. You don't have to worry about the stems. The stems are tender. Just do the best you can to level it out. And I'm going to add some more of that accent on top. Seasoning. It's really good on spinach. And I added a little bit more Italian seasoning. Just so it's got that Italian seasoning all through the casserole. Then add the rest of your raviolis and meatballs on top of that. I noticed I was a little light on the sauce, so you'll be seeing that I'm going to put some pizza sauce over it, which came out really good, so I'm going to do that from now on. That pizza sauce really woke this whole casserole up. The tripod shook a little bit, sorry about that. I'm going to add some pizza sauce on top of that. Which turned out to be just perfect, what I added, which was like a half a cup. Just spread it out, do the best you can. When it heats, it will bubble everywhere. So if you miss a spot, don't worry about it. It will get saturated. Now add some more mozzarella. After you add some Italian seasoning, I forgot about that. Now we can add the mozzarella. It's a cup to go on top. And a cup to go on your first layer too. Now add your mozzarella. Your Parmesan, sorry about that. Add as much as you want or as little as you want. It doesn't matter. You gotta make it your own. You might want to add more to it. You might want to add less stuff to it. You might not like mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms, don't add mushrooms. You might want to add black olives. You know, there's all kinds of things you can do. On the very top, you're doing like a pizza topping. I wish I would have remembered. I would have added my roasted red bell peppers on top. That would have been really good, but this is perfect. So I'm not complaining. That's it when it came out of the oven. I'm going to write in the freeze and everything on the pictures here in a minute. Right now I'm doing a voiceover. As you can see, I'm horrible about keeping a straight line. I'm legally blind, so forgive me. Do the best I can. Probably should have waited, let it set for a little bit, but I couldn't wait. It was so good. As you can see, it's steaming hot. Normally you would let this sit for about 15 minutes and then serve it, but no way. We were hungry. And there it is, folks. I hope y'all enjoyed my video, and stay tuned for the verse that I always add to my videos nowadays. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share out my video on your social media to help me grow more. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much.